Hey guys, Derek here with the 76 hours long render update number 3. So, victory! I'm going to claim that victory right now. Success. The Entering the Throne Room conference video is up on the channel. But I'm going to call it a bittersweet victory, and let me tell you why. The devil really was attacking us on this one. He's even attacked me in victory. So, let me get into that here by showing you. So here is the Entering the Throne Room conference video, or almost 3-hour video there, 2 hours, 45 minutes. And we have a copyrighted content notice. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and show you what this means. This says eligible for revenue sharing. Now we don't have our channel monetized. It's not monetized, so we don't make money off of this, but they are now making money off of this. What a Beautiful Name was claimed by Capital CMG Publishing, and Seeking Deep Live was claimed by a whopping 15 different content creators. Now, music is a very muddy water to wade through when it comes to copyright law, and this wouldn't be a problem normally, except that we're kind of taking a chance towing the line on this. If they so chose, they could issue what's called a copyright strike to our channel. And if you get 3 copyright strikes on any YouTube channel, then they shut down your channel forever. So we try to keep all copyrighted content off of our channel for that particular reason. And like I said, the channel is not monetized right now. I'd like to monetize in the future, maybe, but of course with copyrighted content we aren't able to do that either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that video up for at least a couple of days, few days. This week we're going to find another place to host it, this and all of the conference videos. They're not going to contribute to the views to the channel, whatever, that's fine, it doesn't matter. It's not about us, it's about the content. Plus I feel like they deserve their own place. So we started a new page today, and I'm making sure that everything is legit and that we can have it. And it's going to be called Your Life Worship. And that's where we're going to be placing the conference videos. So if that's okay with everybody and doesn't have any problems, then we can post the videos there, and hopefully they'll let us use their content. And if they don't, then it is what it is. Welcome to the wonderful world of internet copyright laws, blah 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 blah, big bureaucracy. So that's it. The important thing is that the video's up, it is working, and the fact that that copyright content got flagged means that y'all performed the songs well enough for it to recognize what y'all were covering. So that's pretty cool. Good job, guys. Good job. And that's it. Next update we do will be hopefully the final one, and we'll have that donation account, the donation PayPal account, available for you guys to donate to us. So we can make a little money, keep the doors open, and keep doing what we do for you guys, because we could really use the help. And we're trying to upgrade our equipment, so we'll give you that info too. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you see it go down for 1 day, that's all it will take to upload to another source. Don't panic. And that's it. May you be blessed. Bye-bye.